guys, welcome back to the ESCAPADES. So today we are going to show you how to apply for your reflective number plates. So you are going to have to go to the ntsa portal, whereby you're going to click on the ntsa portal. Then it's going to take you to the landing page, whereby you'll find all the cars that you have in your account. In this case, we have this one car, KBN 722N. So from there, you just click on it. Then you're going to go and click on motor vehicle services. From there, we'll be able to go to the motor vehicle services. There are various services in that section, which is reflective number plate, change of particulars, vehicle transfer, duplicate logbook, annual inspection, and compliance inspections. All those are the services that are available in that section. So in our case, we want to apply for the reflective number plate. So from here, it's going to prompt you to enter the vehicle model number, which is listed in your logbook, in your current logbook. So in this current logbook, for the vehicle that we have in this application, our motor vehicle model was known as a station wagon, which is what I indicated down there. Then from there, you'll have to scan your logbook in PDF format, and you're going to attach it down there. Then from there, you're going to look to the next section, whereby you'll have to also attach a copy of your logbook and the number plate of your plates, of the current plates that you have, in one PDF. Don't put two PDFs or 2 pages in the PDF. Make sure it is one PDF with the 3 photos, the logbook and the front plate and the back plate in one PDF. You're going to attach it as shown below. So I have attached mine, as you can see. From there, it's going to ask you the reflective number plate that you require. Do you need both number plates or one? So in my case, I need both number plates. And then you're going to be asked, from the front number plate, which type of number plate do you want? Is it the long number plate, the rectangular one, or the square one that you need? So you'll have to take accordingly. From there, it's going to ask you your correction center. Where would you want to go and pick up the new reflective number plates? Then for me, I took Vika. Then from there, it's going to ask you, how do you want to be notified, through SMS or through email? Then you select which is appropriate. From there, insert your ID and your name, then and your phone number, then search. Then from there, you have to go to the payment, which you're going to pay 3,050 Kenya shillings. Insert your business number, account number as shown below, and the amount is 3050 for the car business, for the car reflective number plates. If it's for motorbike, if it's for a motorbike, it's going to be 1550 because it just has one number plate. Make sure guys, you complete this application, because I've had a few people who don't complete the application and they already paid and the application become null and void. From here, you're going to be taken to the landing page, whereby you'll download the invoices as shown below, which you're going to pick up your number plate from there. Thank you guys for watching.